All right, there we go. Finishing up a very productive day out here on the lake. Nice Lake Oconee largemouth. All right, let me show you guys what I was looking at on my graph. There's a little stump or a little piece of brush or something like that. So this right here is probably about 7 feet or so. But that is a fish right there. It keeps moving up and down. So I got to get my cast to about right here and see if I can get that fish to come over there and get it. All right, there we go, guys. That is another decent fish right there. All right, let's take a look at the electronics. Should I catch another one? Because this is practice. And as you know, I always say on practice day, it is not about catching fish, but it's about finding the fish, the cover, and the structure that you want to target on tournament day. But we got a minute before the tournament, so let's go ahead and catch one more. How about that? There we go. Another good one, guys. Right now I'm just cruising right along, following this creek bed, and I have it set on the sweep mode, and as you can see, it's sweeping back and forth on its own. So as I'm controlling the trolling motor and moving forward, looking with my 360 and also on the live imaging, I can just follow along, and as I'm finding things, I can mark it. If I see any fish or anything like that, then I'm able to mark those too. But just wanted to show you that real quick. That is another way that sweep mode can be utilized out here on the lake. All right, so what I did on that one is I was scanning with my side imaging and sonar, and I saw some, I guess it looks like a tree or a brush pile or something down there. Turned around and just kind of moved around until I found it on the live imaging. It was kind of harder to find it this time, but once I did, those fish will bite. All right, there we go. Alright, there we go. Had to work that one kind of slow. I felt a little tap the first time, but wasn't sure if it was going to be a good one, but it is a good one, guys. Out here putting in some work with that target lock. I think I'm figuring it out, guys. It is time to call it a day. Pretty much came out with a game plan, and things went as planned today. Alright guys, let's go ahead and take it in. Alright, there we go. Finishing up a very productive day out here on the lake. As you guys can see, yeah, I think I like that target lock. Let's talk about it.